Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create Facebook album on Android phone. Firstly guys, you need to open up your profile photo by typing on the left upper side, and then you need just to scroll down as you on your profile section. Just scroll down and find for photos. As you can see on the first selection right there, you have three options for photos of you, uploads and albums. We need to choose the third selection, and then we need to go for also the first selection with a blue light which says create album. Just click on that plus icon, and now you need to rename this album one. Now if I go on the public side here, I'm gonna be able to select who can see my post. I have a public, friends, friend, accept, or only me, or also I have the option for specific friends. Now I will choose the first option for public, then I will get back, and now what I need to do is just simply go on the right upper side by clicking on the create section. Then I need to wait, and here as you can see the album was successfully created. Now guys, you know how to create Facebook album on Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.